Hey, how's it going? Welcome to another segment of Tuesday Seeds. Today, Uriah Israel will be sharing some key dates that every farmer and grower should know. So please stay tuned.
Hey, good afternoon, everybody. This is Uriah Israel, uh, backyard gardener, Texas Small Farmers and Ranchers. Let's grow. And one thing I just want to touch on is there are some important dates um, coming up, and one just passed actually. Um, and these are the different changes and times, the change of the seasons. And as a grower, you must always be cognizant of these times and seasons. And some of us have heard there's a time and season for everything, right? So you need to know what's the indicator for these time and seasons, right? And so the one that just passed was the winter solstice, which is December 21st. What is the December 21st? What is the solstice? Solstice is the time of the year when you have the shortest day of the year, and also shortest day of the year meaning the shortest amount of daylight and the longest time of night. So winter solstice happens on the 21st of December, usually around 21st or 22nd. And you'll see that the night is super duper long, the daylight is a lot shorter. The other important date is the spring equinox, which is around March 21st and 22nd. This is you have the that's also called the vernal equinox, and this is the time of the year when the day and night are at equal lengths. This is also the time that a lot of people recognize that spring officially begins. It doesn't start on January 1st. It starts on vernal equinox, which is March 20th or March 19th. Every single year, a lot of countries still recognize the vernal equinox as the beginning of their year. It's the beginning of a solar year. Okay, the next important date you want to have is the summer solstice. The summer solstice is normally around June 20th, and this is normally the longest day, the longest period of sunlight that you're going to have. It looks like the day will never end. The sunlight's going to last a long time on that day, and that's the beginning of summer. That's the official astronomical date of that summer begins. The next date that you want to look at is the autumnal equinox, and this is normally on September 22nd. This once again is an equinox. This means that the sun and the night and the day will be equal times, approximately equal times. And so this is the beginning of the fall. Let's go over those dates once again. You have the spring equinox, which is around March 19th and 20th. You have the summer solstice, which is June 20th. You have the autumn equinox, which is September 22nd. And then you have the winter solstice, which is December 21st. These are dates that growers should know. You should be very aware of these dates so you know when the seasons change for you, and you'll also know why the day is short or the night is short, and you also know why the day is long. You should be well aware. This is why farmers and growers, you're some of the smartest people out there, right? So let's stay in tune with those times and seasons, and don't forget, hey, we care, we love you. We all got to get in tune with the planet and the resources and the times and systems that runs on this planet that we live on. Okay, with that, once again, I love you guys. Stay strong. Let's do this together.